Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new free assembly and scoop. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new dresses from free assembly. They have that squared neckline scoop with the embroidered hearts, fit and flares out. It is that longer length, and then it has the zipper in the back. Denim from free assembly. So these look like they're high rise. They have the pork chop pockets, that raw hem at the bottom, and then that same fit through the back, and they're $26. A couple weeks ago, they have this smaller collar. It's zip front, lined on the inside, also has the little button detail on the wrist, has the toggles at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $34. Skirts to match have that wrap style front, this little pocket detail, adjustable, that same fit through the back, and they're $24. Also new cardigans from free assembly. These have that higher neckline, the gold buttons, two front pockets, that contrast trim on the wrist, and then all through the back. In the blue and white, also comes in the white and navy. And the cardigans are going to be $26. Match, they have these new pull-on skirts. These have an elastic waistband, the two front pockets that same fit through the back, and they're $24. Also new scuba jackets from Scoop. So these have that mock neck when it's snapped up, silver hardware drop sleeve, banded wrist with the side pocket. Also has that toggle bottom, and then the same fit through the back with the hood, and they are $38. New jackets from free assembly. So these have a mock neck when it's buttoned up all the way, the little drawstring at the waist with the peplum, oversized tortoise buttons, the side pocket on the wrist. It does have that button detail. In the navy, also comes in the khaki, and they're $42. Also new mock neck top. So they had similar styles for fall, but they have that mock neck. It's rib stretchy. I think these are a little different. That's what the material looks like up close. Good length through the front and the back. Comes in the navy and yellow, also the navy and red, and they are $12. New dresses from free assembly. So these have a smaller collar, button up into the waist, this little belt detail, fit and flare. You could see the little patches of pattern, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $30. New pull-on jeans from free assembly. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, wide flowy leg, and then the same fit through the back. They also have the trouser pockets on the back, and these are going to be $26. New tanks from Scoop. So these have the thicker strap with this lace trim, the little scoop neckline with the tie. It's a baby doll fit with the seam in the back. And the white also comes in pink, and they are going to be $22. New button-down shirts from free assembly. These have this smaller collar. It has that red pipe detailing, full button with the button on the wrist, and then that same detailing through the back, and they're $26. New smock dresses from free assembly. So these have the thicker strap, square neckline, smocking through the top, fit and flare. That's what the material looks like up close, and then that same fit through the back. In the blue and white gingham, also comes in the chambray. That's what the blue looks like, and they're $36. New barrel leg jeans from Scoop. So these look like they're high rise. They have the distressing, that seam detail, some fading through the front, and then also through the back. They're an ankle length. They don't really match the jacket. Those jeans we saw in the last video are the exact match. And the barrel leg jeans are $28. New denim skirt from Scoop. So this one has the double button zip with the pockets, that seam detailing, and these are $28. What am I filming? New tank from Scoop. This one has the removable straps, this little flap over detail, the side slits, and then that same kind of split, and these are $24. New barrel leg pull-on jeans from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, that barrel leg with the seam detailing, and then pockets on the back with the elastic going all the way around. and they're $28. New pointel cardigans from Scoop. So these have that high neckline, the little flower buttons, that ruffle trim, the tier with the tiered bottom, and then the same fit through the back in the black. Also comes in white. How cute. And they're $26. Go with the barrel leg jeans. They have these zip up jackets. So these have the smaller collar, side seam, the little button on the wrist, elastic with the tie, zip front, and then the side seaming in the back. And they are $36. Go with the pinstripe tank. They have a skirt from Scoop. So this one has the belt, the little buckles, fit and flare with the pleats, and then the same through the back. And they are going to be $28. Also new blouse from Scoop. So this one has a high neckline, buttons all the way down, this little gathered detail with the shoulder detail, button on the wrist. How pretty is this pink color with the little V back? So it comes in the pink, the black and white floral, and these are $24. Also new blazer from Scoop. So this has the plunging V, the one button. I think there's like the barrel style, like the sleeve comes out and then goes in. Two from pockets, completely lined. That's the extra small. This is the 2XL. And then you could see the pleating in the back, and they're $36. So denim from Scoop. So these are high rise. They have the pork chop pocket, also the cargo pocket with the elastic at the bottom. Same kind of fit through the back, and they're $28. New V-neck tops from Scoop. So this is that smoothing material. I just showed this in my last haul. Has the plunging V, really nice length. It's double smoothing. I size down to the small. Comes in white, black. There's green, pink, and the light blue, and they're $15. So they have new crew neck tees from Scoop. So these have a little bit of a vintage wash. This is a baby tee. Relaxed fit in the coral. There's yellow, black, and this acid wash blue. There's also solid white, and they are going to be $15. New tanks from Free Assembly. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless, really nice length. Their tees are so good. Look how soft and stretchy. In the light blue, the navy and white stripe, coral, black, there's white, and then over here the green, and they're $7. New cardigans from Free Assembly. This one has that ruffled neckline, oversized gold buttons, the two pockets, nice wrists, and then the same fit through the back. And this yellow with the blue, and then there's a navy and white with the blue trim, and they're $26. Also new short sleeve shirts from Free Assembly. They have the crew neckline, the stripe detailing on the trim. It's a sweater material with the ribbed bottom, same fit through the back, and the navy and white also comes in the green and white, and they're $18. Also new barrel jeans from Free Assembly. So these have the whiskering, they have that tapered leg, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $28. New sweat sets from Scoop. So these have that crew neckline, the puff sleeve. It's the scuba material with the banded bottom, same fit through the back. In the purple, also comes in the gray, and the sweatshirts are $22. And then the pants to match, they have that elastic waistband, the true jogger leg, same fit through the back. They also have pockets in the back. And these are $24. New tanks from Free Assembly. These have that crew neckline, sleeveless, really good length. They have the cardigans to match this. I showed you guys that in another video. And I think these are 15 or 16. Dresses from Free Assembly. They have the thicker strap, that squared neckline, seam detail, fit and flare, oversized poplin skirt with the pockets, and then smocking in the back. And they're $34. Also new denim dress from Free Assembly. This one has that higher neckline, sleeveless, the two pockets, fit and flare, and then the zipper in the back. And this one is going to be $28. And also new from Free Assembly is this puff sleeve dress. So this has that sweetheart neckline, the balloon sleeve fit, and then also that same kind of A-line with the same fit through the back. So new shirt dress from Free Assembly. This has that high neckline, full functioning buttons, fit and flare, Button detail on the wrist, and then the same fit through the back with the belt. New sweater dress from Scoop. So this one has that mock neckline. It's the same cut as like the Dalmatian. There was like a black and burgundy, that same material. And then the same fit through the back. It says dresses, $26. Also new flutter sleeve top from Free Assembly. This has the high neckline, the double little flutter sleeve. There's functioning buttons, really good line through the front and back. This one's from Free Assembly. So it does look like a blazer, but it is a thicker wool-like material. It has the smaller collar lapel. It's completely lined. I also love that it has this ribbed wrist, the 2 flat pockets with the tortoise button, and then new blazer from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar lapel, relaxed through the wrists, lined on the inside. And that's what it looks like in the back. Has that little seam detail. Denim jackets from Free Assembly. Has that higher neckline, the 2 pockets up at the top, 2 down below. Also that button detail on the wrist. Same fit through the back with that seam detailing. And these are $32. So in the red denim are these jeans from Free Assembly. So these are high rise. They look like they're a little bit of a barrel leg. It says cropped barrel. Has a little hammer holder, that seam detail. And then the pockets on the back. How pretty is that gold hardware on the button? And these are $28. We have these full skirts from Free Assembly. So these one have the side button pleating. And then the same fit through the back. I can't believe how crazy it is in here today. I think everybody escaped their state and came to Florida, because Walmart on Sunday usually isn't like this. And then they also have the blue and white, and they are, I don't know, we'll have them linked down below. Also a new button-down shirt from Free Assembly. This has that crew neckline, ribbed, stretchy, functioning buttons all the way down. It has a nice little different color kind of fabric, like poplin trim. In the blue and white stripe, also the solid navy. These are $16. So new chino from Free Assembly. These look like they're high-rise, tapered leg, trouser pockets in the back, in the black. I feel like we haven't had a black dress pant in a long time, and they are going to be $22. The new puff sleeve top from Free Assembly. This has that higher neckline puff sleeve. It's a thicker material, super soft, in the blue stripe. Also comes in the solid navy, and they're $16. So I have new colors in the tees from Free Assembly. These have that crew neckline. They're that cap sleeve. You guys know I love these. I'm actually wearing the white one today. In the blue, there's pink is new. There's that stripe, and then white. Those are $8 or $9 now. And then they also have a boxy tee in the baby pink, the stripe, the black. Those are $9. And I shared the pointel tees, I think, in the basics video. So this one has that scallop trim, really nice length. In the white, the navy and white, solid navy. There's this yellow and the baby pink, and those are $10. Sneak Peeks full skirt from Free Assembly. So it's a twill material. It has the button zip, that bubbled bottom, completely lined, and then the same fit through the back. One's from Free Assembly. It has that elastic waistband, the drawstring zippered pockets, the two-tone with the black, and then also the blue bottom, and then that same fit through the back. They'll be linked down below. How cute is this new cardigan from Free Assembly? This has the crew neckline. It has these heart buttons, the pointel heart detailing with the drop sleeve. Also has the ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, and then the same fit through the back, and this one's $22. Also new graphic tee from Free Assembly. It has that crew neckline, the more, and these are $10. New scoop tee from Free Assembly. This has that scoop neckline, cap sleeve, really nice length with the same through the back. Comes in the stripe, also in the solid white, and they're $10. Also new Henley long sleeve from Free Assembly. This has that plunging V, the gold buttons. Nice relaxed fit through the front and the back. In the stripe, also comes in the solid navy, and these are going to be linked down below. Oh, $14. This new one is from Scoop. It has that barrel sleeve, completely lined on the inside, that same fit through the back. It has that pleating, the little buttons on the wrist. And that's what the inside looks like. Also in the black and white are these floral print dresses from Scoop. So it has that little tie detail. It's a flowy fit, has the little gathering on the shoulder and then a button on the wrist. Also comes in that purple floral. In the black and white are these long sleeve tops from Scoop. They have that crew neckline fitted through the wrist, really good length through the front and the back. Also comes in that beige and white. So new little puff sleeve tee from Free Assembly. It has the scallop trim, puff sleeve, nice fit. And these are $15. Apology, look for less tops from Free Assembly. This has the tie detail, split V, oversized balloon sleeve, elastic at the bottom. This also comes in the red. New tees from Free Assembly. So these have a crew neckline, the little shoulder detail. It's a French terry material with all this little embellished kind of rhinestone flowers. Comes in the black, also in the white, and they'll be linked down below. So new turtleneck from Free Assembly. So we saw this red and blue. Now they have this navy and white stripe. It's a rib stretchy material, fold over, really nice length. And then the seam fit through the back. Let's see a price. They also have in the barrel leg this style. This one has the pork chop pockets, that seam detailing, the raw hem at the bottom. And this one is a carpenter barrel. So new denim jacket from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the mid-size collar, buttons, the two front pockets, drop sleeve, button on the wrist, that boxy fit with the side pocket, and then the seam detailing with the gathering in the back, and they're $36.50. Back the lace skirt. So these have the button zip, that seam detail, side pocket, pockets in the back with the built-in shorts. I always love these. You do want to get your true size because these shorts always run on the smaller end. So they have white this year, which I love. They also have, looks like that's it for the skirt. So, yeah, they just have the white and then the rest of the shorts. We'll see those next time because we have a lot here today. New short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. These have the crew neckline, the ribbed side, ribbed bottom. In the blue, also comes in red. There's pink and navy, and they're $16. And these are from Free Assembly. They have that mock neckline, side seam detailed, a lighter weight knit material. Also new floral print jeans from Jessica Simpson. So this is a bleached kind of design, has the whiskering. This one is the Rosa Relaxed Street with the little bleached detail on the back. And they're $36.50. So in the slingbacks are these satin flats from Scoop. So they have that square toe with this slingback. These are like Miu Miu, look for less. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.